In a shocking incident, a man viciously attacked a sixth grade student of Imphal Visual Academy using a racking bar today. The perpetrator, identified as Sapam Sarad, aged 45, son of late Kala Chan of Sapam Sabal, was swiftly apprehended by the police. The young victim, Jenika Sapam, daughter of Sapam Khelendra from Sapam Maning Laikai, tragically succumbed to her injuries at Shija Hospital after being rushed from Thoubal District Hospital. The distressing event occurred at Sapam Sabal Laikai around 7:15 a.m. as Jenika was en route to school riding her bicycle. The incident was witnessed and reported by a child, prompting local residents to rush to the scene, where they found Jenika lying on the road. They managed to apprehend the perpetrator, who was later arrested by the police. It's been reported that the perpetrator had a history of drug use and have been suffering from mental health issues. Jenika's body has been admitted to RIMS mortuary for post-mortem examination. In response to the tragedy, a Joint Action Committee JAC against the brutal killing of Jenika Devi Sapam has been formed by the local club and Maira Paibi of the area. The JAC, in demanding capital punishment for the perpetrator and urging authorities to prohibit his family from entering Khongjom Circle. They have witnessed a stern warning against anyone facilitating the entry of the perpetrator's family into the area. It also urged the state government to address the issue and provide support to Jenika's family. JAC also declared that they will not accept her body until their demands are met. JAC has warned for stern agitations if the government fails to take appropriate action within 24 hours.